Yeah, so good morning everyone. Good morning. Let me share the screen where we stopped yesterday. Let me share the screen. I think this is the place where we share the screen. Yeah, fine. This is the place where we stopped the class. Right? At this place we stopped today's date. What is the today's date? Let me write the today's date. Today's date, if you observe, I think 31st 5/26 is the today's date. Yeah, you may ask that. You may ask, what is this? What is this new getup? It's not new getup, Bhaiya and Behan. It is not new getup. I want to clarify. It is, I think, because a lot of summer is going on, a lot of sweat is going on. I thought let's clear it out. So I cleared the story. So this is the summer special. You can say it is a summer special, right? So all are against this. My madam, my family member, all are against this. But I thought let's have summer special, right? Yeah, perfect. We can go ahead then. It's a summer special, right? It's nothing special here. It is a summer special. So to avoid unnecessary sweat and all, so I came with this new getup, right? Fine, yeah. So leave that. Come to our story. So 31/5/26. So this is the next problem. Can you see one time here? Can you see everyone one time here? What is this program? So it is a new program. What is the output of this? This program is until here. Until here. This program is until here. Yeah. Can you see one by one? So one class I given. That the first one is class. Okay. One class I given. I given one class. This is the class. So let me write. This is a class which internally contain two functions. That is a one function. It is another function. This class contain two functions. It is a one function. It is another function. Right? Okay. So I have a class which contain two functions. One function name is set data. Another function name is display. Okay, that's fine. Perfect. And one more thing is there is no, this class don't have any variables. This class having only functions. But inside functions, maybe there are local variables, name, marks, right? So I think here also same, name, marks. Okay, fine. So yeah, everything is perfect. Now main program. In the main program, one object is created. Name is S2. In the main program, one object created, name is S2. So next one, S2 ID, it is printing. Let us assume that S2 ID, whatever it is printing, assume 2. For our convenience, I written the 2, right? Second printf, something like that, 2. So let us in that ID of S2, assume 1000. So object S2 is created, right? So 1000 is the address. Okay, that's okay. Next one, S2 data is S2. For the S2 object, set data is function is called. Go there. Here I came here. Here I came. Now here print. So ID of self. Remember, because of you called S2 dot set data. So S2 object is came. Self means that only. ID of this. If you want, you can check. This will also print 1000. It will also print 1000. Sir, I want to print here 2 also. 2 means I want to say that second object. S2 object. S2 object. So remember, S2 object set data I called. I came here 2 comma ID. So here 2 comma 1000 will be printed. So whatever printed here also printed because of same object came. Next one, for the same object, name is Reddy. Marks are 95. For the same object, name is Reddy, right? So marks are 95. Okay, perfect. That's okay. Now s2 dot display function is called. S2 dot display function, because of same object, you are already kept name as Reddy, marks as 95. Then when you go display function, here it will print, because of same object 2 comma 1000 will be printed, right? If you want to write here, that is perfect. Now because of it is the same object, if you want you can write also 2 comma name will be Reddy will be printed, right? So here I think yeah, if you don't want to print number, that is okay, no issue at all. Sir, I don't want to print number, sir, then no issue, it's up to you. You don't print, no problem. Next one, yes, right, self dot marks, I think 95 will be, this is the first story. So because of this, what will be printed is 1000 again printed. Because of display, what happened is 1000 again will be printed, and one more thing is Reddy will be printed, right? One more thing is 95 also printed. Okay, perfect. So this story until here it is completed. Now print s2 id of s2, same thing will be printed. If you want you can check. So here I am writing 2 comma id, same only printed. If anyone having any doubt, let's check. So the display function effect is these 3 people. So already here also I printed, same thing I copied here, nothing, I am not done anything, right? Here also printed, same thing I copied here. Set data, same thing I copied here. I hope no one having any objection. Now let's do same story for s1. That's this one. S1, one person is created, is address. If you print 1 comma 2000 will be printed, not same address, one more object it is. So one more object. Okay, fine. Now call set data, right? Set data s1 function. When you go there, right, s1 function, then what happened is, right, so same s1 is came id of this. So if you want you can verify, it will print 2000. If you want you can check. So for the s1 object, address is given as 2000, name is Reddy, same, marks are 95. So right, whatever you keep, same thing will happen. Next one, display function, right? Display function is not called, that's okay. Set data, so it's I think 2000 printed, same thing, from here it came. Now display function. So if you go to display function, see here what happened. Now, right, I think first 2000 will be printed, right? Now, right, next one is going to be name is Reddy, same thing only, marks as 95, whatever you keep, same thing will come, right? Same, because of display function it came here. Same. So what is the answer? 2000 will be printed, Reddy will be printed, 95 will be printed. But when you print the id, so 2000 will be printed. So I'm not done anything. IDs of every person also printed. I hope no one having any objection. Reddy sir, I am perfect. Right? Small doubt also there, you can ask me. Remember, this class don't have any variables, but functions having. They have, those functions are having its own story. Every object having, right, some variables. So if you see the s1 object, there are 2 variables, name and marks. S2 also same, but addresses are different. Let's go to second problem. This is one more problem. Can you go to here? Right, start from here. What is there? Let me check first. This is a class. Don't worry. This is a class. Okay, fine. This is a class, right? Inside class, what happened? Let me check. Inside this class, there are class variables, 2 people. Okay, and one more, one function is there, fun function. Only one function, maybe bigger, not bigger, so many things I am printing. This class having one function and two variables. So, and one more thing is inside this function, you can use these variables. See this, A1, A2 I am using. Right, inside this class, I am using those variables. I am using those variables. And one more thing is one local variable also there. One local variable. This function having one local variable A3. Two people from this particular area. Right? You will get to know clarity. You will get to know clarity. Don't worry. Now let's see this. Don't worry anything about this function. Let's see what will happen. For a main program, running will start. So one variable, one object created EPT. One object created EPT. Okay, perfect. Now I call type of EPT. I think if you see type, it's a class only. It's a class, right? It's a class. It's a class type. Type of EPT is one class, right? So class type as people. Class people. Okay, that is okay. There is no problem. Right? Until now, there is no problem. I will run also, don't worry. It is a class of people type. Okay, fine. One object EPT is created, right? So type is going to be class people. Okay, that's okay. Now see this one. To print to EPT.A1. Remember, EPT.A1. One object is created of this model. This is the template, right? This is the blueprint. So EPT.A1. So this will be there. Because of this EPT object is this class, you can access all these people, right? Right? So EPT.A1, it will be printed. Mail will be printed. So here, mail will be. Next one, if you see EPT.A2, EPT.A2. So this one. So female will be printed. So in this problem, the specialty is, right, whenever class having a variables, how to access them? You create a object, with the help of object you can access. You create a object, with the help of object you can access. So that's what I done. I created a object, with the help of object I can access them. That is the one thing. Now see this. Now see this one. Print for ept.a3. ept.a3. So there is nothing. Right, in this class A3 is not there, so it will give error. So be careful. This will give error because there is no A3 in this class, right? This particular object belongs to that class, right? You go to that class and you see any local variables. In that class, any variables are there, A3 not there. So error message will come. Right, next one. So you called, so this is the error. Please be careful. So I am keeping comment. Otherwise, error will come. Next one, ept.fun. Can you go to fun function? Careful everyone, fun function is this. And one more, remember, ept.fun. So ept object is k. ept object is k. Right? So now see this one. Self.a1. Self.a1. So male will be printed. Okay. Self.a2. Female will be printed. Right, ept object itself is game. So ept.male is already, ept.a1 is already male, ept.a2 is already female. You know this very well. So those two will be printed. So self means ept itself is game. Okay, that's okay. Now you changed it. A1 become 100, A2 become 200, A3, see this one, A3 not there, A3 not there, is a local variable. You are setting one local variable. These are the things which are already there, you are changing, that's perfect. These are the things which are already there, you are changing, that's perfect. But now this is one local variable is created, A3. So that is also 200. Now print it. If you print here, it will print 100, it will print 200, it will print 300. Sorry, 200. If you want, you can make 300 here, it will print 300. So because of that fun function, that is the effect. So remember, EPT only you are sending inside this function. Self means EPT. EPT.A1, already whatever they printed. EPT.A2, already whatever they printed. So now select ept.e3, you are assigning. So one local variable created, right? You kept 300. How can you assign? Like whatever I done in the previous. See, previously there is no class, don't have variables. I took whatever variables I like. Class don't have any variables previously. Whatever variable names I want, I took. Same thing here, a3 I took. A1, A2 already available, I am using it. Already available, I am using it. A3 not there, so I think one more created local variable inside this function. Remember, is inside this function only. You can access this A3 inside only. Outside you cannot access. But A1, A2, because of their class people, you can access outside also. See, A3 you tried, so it will give error. Now see this one. People.a1. So some people are asking, with the help of EPT, you accessed the A1. With the help of EPT, you accessed the A1. With the help of EPT, you accessed A2 also. So, sir, because of they are common to all the objects, because it is inside the class, these people are common to all the objects. Sir, without any object, I want to access out. Simply, you can access like this also. Right? Just say class name followed by A1. That is also okay. You can write here object name or class name. But you cannot write directly. You cannot write directly. So this will also give error. This will also give error. Directly you cannot use. Directly you cannot use. It is also error. So you can use here. You can use here object name or class name. You can use anyone. Object name or class name. Anything you can use. Object name, class name, anything you can use. Okay, fine. So the purpose of this problem is I want to explain to you, if at all class having variables, what is the effect? If class having variables, what is the effect? So I will see, I will show to you. I will run also. Can you see one time? Yeah, so maybe not audible till now. So I'm repeating once again. So I'm running the program. Can you see this one? I'm running the program. So just I'm explaining whatever you know, same only. So inside this class, there are there are two variables A1, A2, one function fun also there, right? Now next one is, let's go to main program. In the main program, if you observe, one object EPT created. So EPT type, if you observe, see this one. This is the EPT type, class people. It is a class people. That is the first printf. Second printf, you see ept.a1. With the help of object, you are using A1. So it will go to A1 here. This A1. So A2 printed. That is also perfect. A1, A2 printed. Next one. Next one. So you called, right? I think this will give error. If I remove this one, error will come. If you want, you can check. I've removed it. Run it. You will get error. See, error you got. Where you got after third line. After third line, you got fourth line. I think fourth line you got error. So to remove the error, so keep the right. Next one, EPT fun function is called. Let's go to fun function. In the fun function, remember, so A1 printed, A2 printed. So these are, see this one, A3 not there, but now one local variable created. Now A3 also printed. So the effect of that one is going to be, let's see this one. What is the printf? 789. See the printf 789. See the printf 789. 7 is I am 100, I am 200, I am 300. Okay, you came back. You came back, right? So with that, right, you can access. So you can access class variables. You can access class variables with the help of class name also. People.a1. People.a1 mail will be printed. People.a2. People.a2. Right? So female will be printed. People.a3 error will come. So if you want, I will do that also. See this. See this. People.a2. No issue. So if you want, you can run it. If you want, you can run it. So last one, if you see, male printed, female printed. So because of A1, male only printed. If I write A3, error will come. Because there is no variable A3. Error will come. Lastly, error came. There is no object, people has no object, no attribute called A3. Okay, these are called attributes. These are called attributes. Okay, fine. So this is also, you can make comment. Perfect. I think people got it. Let me know small doubt also. Small doubt also there. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. So I run this program also. I think everyone is perfect. Now let's move to next problem. You are okay. You are okay. Little doubt also there. You can ask me. Little doubt also there. You can ask me. So next problem I'm going. Next problem I'm going. I'm going to next problem where you can see something different. So see the next problem. So if you see the next problem, class subject, some name. Class subject, fine. Go inside. Class subject, fine. Go inside. Definition. Definition. See this one. Two things you have to keep like this. Init. Init. Once again, two minus. It's actually not minus, underscore. Two underscores. Right? Two underscore. Init. Two underscores here. Two underscores here. So go inside. Right? You can write self also, any name. See, remember these names you can write anything. These names you can write anything. A1, A2. If you want, you can write S also. Any names you can write as usual. Yes, I written the S. Yes, A1, A2. Okay, fine. So column. Remember, DEF is there means it is a function. DEF there means it is a function. Please try to understand. DEF is there, it is a function definition. DEF is there means it is a function definition. Please understand. DEF is there means it is a function definition, right? But it is a special function, that is the reason underscores are there. It is a special function, that is the reason underscores are there, right? Let me write S dot A1 is equal to S dot A2 let me write some names. I want to change these names. If you don't change also, no issue, nothing will happen. So I'm just changing this. ATR1, ATR2, right? Because of name conflict is coming, that is the reason I change it. You can keep names whatever you want, that's okay. I kept ATR1, ATR2, S dot A1, ATR1, S dot A2, ATR2. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Now come to main program. Now come to main program. One object created, which is equal to one object. His name is obj, subject type object. And one more thing, if you observe, subject type object, it's okay. And one more thing, if you observe clearly, so this function name is init, na? This function name is init. This function name is init. This is called as constructor. Initialization purpose. This is called constructor. For initialization. For initialization purpose. Right? Whenever object is created, this is the creating object, right? This is the creating object. Let me write also. Here maths I am writing. Here maths I am writing. This is science I am writing. Science I am writing. So at this place, one object is created, right? Name is called OOPs-2 subject type, right? Subject type class, one object created. And one more thing is whenever object created, automatically this constructor also will be called. This is for initialization purpose. And one more thing, it is a function. It is a function. Remember, this function having 3 parameters. 3 formal means 2 actual. So this will go here. This will go here. The advantage, some people are asking, sir, constructor means init function. This is called init. Sir, init function, normal function, what is the difference? Init function, no need to call. At the time of object creating itself, init function will be called. It will be called while creating. While creating object, it will be called. While creating object, it will be called automatically. No need to call explicitly. Automatically, it will be called. When it is a constructor, right? For initialization purpose, while creating object, it will called automatically. And one more thing, because of it is a function, how many parameter? 3 parameter. 3 formal, actual parameters are 2. So who is the first one? Self is coming. Automatically this object itself is coming. So inside this object, right? A1 is a one local variable, A2 is a one local variable. Inside the object, there is a local variables A1 and A2. A1 contain ATR1, A2 contain ATR2. Like that it will be done. Purpose is initialization purpose. Be careful. Now if anyone having doubt, print it. Print obj dot A1, print it. Then what happened? ATR1 will be printed. What is the answer? Maths will be printed. So print. The purpose of this one is I want to introduce constructor. I want to introduce constructor. Maths and science will be printed. Right? I want to introduce constructor. I want to introduce constructor to you. Constructor is a function. Name is called init. In the Python language, different languages, different stories. In Python language, right? Constructor, right? In Python language, init is a constructor for initialization purpose. It is a function, like a normal function only. The specialty is no one will call it. While creating object itself, it will call it. Sir, it is a function means you have to call na, sir. While creating object itself, it will be called. Sir, 3 formal, then 2 actuals should be there. Yes, 2 actuals are there. Then how to access? Right, after keeping the data, with the help of init function, you are keeping data, you can access using that object name and those local variable name, you can access it. So if you want, you can check in the main function, nowhere init is called. See this. In the main function, if you observe, nowhere init is called. See, nowhere init called. This is the main. This is the main. In the main, where is the init function? Nowhere there. Nowhere there. The reason is while creating object, it will be called automatically. So the output of this one is maths and science will be printed. So I want to introduce the constructor. So that is perfect. I want to introduce constructor. So that is perfect. Right? Fine. In tomorrow's class, we will see remaining things. In tomorrow's class, we will see remaining things. Today we done 3 problems. I think we started here, 3 problems we done. Almost tomorrow, in my opinion, object-oriented programming will be over. Right, fine. Thank you.